Hey there, this is Salate with WTI, and today I want to show you the cutest and most effective water flosser. I'm so in love with this cordless water flosser. This is the mini portable oral irrigator by Salate. It has a beautiful retro look and I love this grain. This is super easy to use. You charge it, then you're going to see that it has two convenient ways to fill up the water tank. Once you fill it up, you're gonna put the nozzle you desired. It's super easy to connect and remove. And I love how this mini portable water flosser is very powerful. Just listen to this right here. You're gonna be able to have great oral hygiene. Your smile is gonna be glowing by using this flosser. And this is wonderful because you can bring it to work, you can bring it to school, or when traveling. I love everything about this flosser. I give this flosser a 10 out of 10, and I would highly recommend this to anybody. Stop looking for the ultimate companion for teeth cleaning on the go. You have just found it, and that's my point of view.